you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ShaniceAlisha. For everyone who is new, welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, tuning in. I hope to see you join the family. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, baby. Tap the bell so you never miss another video upload from your girl, because we are hitting 10K this year and I don't want anybody telling me that I was underrated down the line at a mil when you see me piping up. So go ahead and tap the bell. And for all of my ride or die babies, hey y'all, we are back with another video. And by the title, you guys see your girl done got a new grill, and I'm not talking about veneers, okay? My teeth been big. Don't judge me, judge your mama. I am talking about an at-home teeth whitening kit that I've been using for the past few weeks, and I've been able to achieve these bomb results. Now, I don't know about you and how important your smile is, but I feel like your teeth right next to your eyebrows and your hair, you know, the entire region of your face is the very first thing that people are gonna see when they see you, and it's very important to make a good impression. And the last thing you wanna do when you smile is just show, you know, like a little stalk of corn, you know, a little butter. So you wanna make sure that your teeth are nice and white and presentable at all times, because who doesn't like a beautiful smile? Anyway, let me tell you about our sponsor for today's video, Smile Brilliant. They're an amazing at-home teeth whitening company, easy to use, extremely affordable, cruelty-free. I mean, I don't think it gets any better than that, especially in today's society where everything is literally at the reach of our fingertips, which means we do a lot of things from the house, because between work, school, and play, we don't have a lot of time to make that appointment at the dentist. And you know, sometimes it could just be a little expensive. I know how you feel. I know, I get it. I felt the same way, especially when it comes down to the sensitivity of our teeth. Is it actually going to be effective, and how you can do it at home and get the same results that you can get professionally? So that's where I come in, okay? So let me go ahead and jump right into the video and show you everything that you're going to need to know about achieving the same results that I have at your home, wherever it may be. So let's hop into it. So this is the super cute kit that you're gonna get in the mail, and on the side it has the cutest little logo. It says Smile Fearlessly. I don't know about y'all, but my teeth too big to be yellow, okay? So inside of your kit, let me tell you what you're gonna get. 2 trays, one for your top row and one for your bottom row. You're going to get a blue and a white paste. You're also going to get your teeth whitening gel and a desensitizing gel. You're also gonna get instructions, and then you're gonna get a postcard that you have to fill out with your impressions that you made to send back to headquarters. That way they can send you your trays to get started with your whitening process. Now, everything is super secured. You're going to receive a barcode on your postcard that matches the barcodes that's on your top and bottom row trays. That way, when you send it in, there's no possibility of your barcode getting mixed up with anyone else's and you receiving the wrong trays back in the mail. Like I mentioned before, the instructions and cue cards inside of your box are going to make the process of creating your impressions extremely simple and easy. The first step, of course, is creating a nice and clean environment before going in with your paste, and that is just simply flossing and brushing your teeth. The second step is taking the catalyst and the base paste and mixing them together evenly and consistently to create one uniform paste. And you have to do this within 60 seconds to ensure that they don't harden, because as soon as they're exposed to air, they begin to harden for the process. We're gonna work 1 tray at a time, because of course you cannot do 2 trays at the same time. So once you have that nice uniform mix, you're going to evenly spread it into a tray, and then you're going to start by inserting it into your mouth and biting down to create your impression. You wanna make sure that you work as efficient and fast as you can to achieve the best results, because ultimately your impressions will determine how successful your whitening process is. So following the time guidelines given in your instructions, you're simply going to allow that mold to harden around your teeth, and then you're going to remove the tray, put it in a safe place, and repeat the exact same steps for your second tray. Now, you're also going to receive a mailer that you're going to place your impressions and your completely filled out postcard inside of. That way you can drop it off at your local post office and prepare to receive your final whitening trays. Whew! Listen, you guys still with me? Y'all still there? Is anyone out there? Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you are, let's take a break from the formalities and talk about a few of the questions and concerns that I'm pretty sure you guys may have, because if you're anything like me, I need to know what I'm getting myself into. What am I setting myself up for? Am I going to die? Am I gonna die? am I gonna die? Because if I am, I can't do it. So yes, 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 yes. Sensitive teeth and gums do exist. There's no way to prevent them, but there are measures to help you make this process a lot more comfortable for you. With the help of techniques from my influence manager and some things that I was able to accommodate on my own, I made this process a lot simpler and easy for me. So the very first thing that I did, because prior preparation prevents piss poor performance, I went out and got me a Sensodyne Pro Enamel toothpaste to use in the morning and at night after I was done with my whitening process, just because I wanted to counteract any sensitivity and build up my enamel as I went through the process. Another tip right before you jump right into whitening is using coconut oil or Vaseline on your gums before you insert your whitening trays. This was a tremendous help for me because I don't know, my mouth is just bougie, okay? She real sensitive, she real about her business, and she don't play with foreigners, okay? She does not play with foreigners. So I was noticing that I did have some sensitive spots on my gums because I thought, girl, you don't need no coconut oil, just put the thing in there and keep it rolling. But I noticed doing it back to back and increasing my whitening sessions as the nights were progressing, I did realize there was a lot of sensitivity in my gums. So don't be like me, be better. Go ahead and take a Q-tip and line your gums with coconut oil or Vaseline. My favorite was the coconut oil, but if you prefer to use the Vaseline, it doesn't matter. They do the exact same thing. That way you kind of create a comfortable environment for your gums as you're allowing your teeth to whiten, because your gums don't need to whiten, sis. It's the teeth of this, so they need to be protected at all times. And the last tip will be going back and forth between your whitening gel and your desensitizing gel. So let me give you an example, because I'm a visual learner, I get it, and there's a lot of visual tactile learners out there like myself. Come on, baby, we're not on the struggle bus, we just need a little more help. We just need a little pat on the back. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to take your gel, put it onto your tray, of course, pop it in your mouth. Boom. 45 minutes to 3 hours. Whatever you decide to do is up to you and what you and your teeth can take, okay? So you take it out and you're gonna rinse and brush your mouth out with just water. Just water. Clean out your trays with cool water as well. Then with a clean, dry tray, you're going to put your desensitizing gel on there and let that sit for about 30 minutes, okay? Your teeth have pores. Did anyone else know that your teeth have pores? Y'all comment down below if you knew that your teeth had pores. Don't lie, because you ain't know that. I ain't know that either. I did not know that. Unless you're a dental hygienist or dentist or you're studying for, don't tell me that you knew your teeth had pores. These pores open up and they just thirsty. They just want it all. So these pores are all open and thirsty once you get done with that whitening process. So that's why you begin to feel the wind hitting your teeth, the water hitting your teeth, anything that you're eating is hitting your teeth. You're just uncomfortable. The desensitizing gel calms that down, but for people like me with extra sensitive teeth, you have to go the extra mile. So I do that night 1, and then night 2, I just take the desensitizing gel in my tray, pop it in for 30 minutes, take it out, and I'm done. I'm not gonna whiten that second night. So one night you whiten, the next night you chill, one night you whiten, the next night you chill. That way you can prevent yourself from being extremely uncomfortable in this process. So now that I've kind of showed you how to work with your trays, once you receive them back in the mail, you need to try them on and make sure that they fit comfortably and they're going to be able to do the job. So depending on you and the amount of butter, you will start to see results within 7 to 14 sessions. My very last and most crucial bit of advice would be to remain consistent. Do not skip a night. Keep it going. Mark it down on your calendar. Set a timer. Set a reminder. It's super easy to do after you finish your dinner and you're preparing for bed. Go ahead and pop your trays in while you're taking care of responding to emails, putting the kids to bed, whatever the case may be. Do it when you're least paying attention to it. Pop them out, put that desensitizing gel in, 30 minutes, you're done, brush your teeth, and off to bed you go. That way you're able to see results faster, it's more effective, and you're more happier with the product that you of course invested in. Now, Shout out to my real ones for making it to this point in the video, because of course I have a 15% off code that I'm going to share for you right here on the screen. Go out and get your Smile Brilliant teeth whitening kit. Do it at home. Enjoy it in the comfort of your house. Get the results that you want to see. Simple, easy, affordable, period. Boom. All right. And also I'm going to be hosting a giveaway on all of my social media platforms. So if you guys are already not following me across the board, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook business page are at ShaniceAlisha. Simple, just like it is here on YouTube. I hope to see you guys following me and staying up on my stories and all of my posts, because I will be choosing one lucky winner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned a lot, and are now interested in this at-home teeth whitening kit. You guys already know the drill. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts down below. Let me know of any questions that you have, because I've gone through the process for the last few weeks and I'm able to give you as much insight as needed. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, baby. Tap the bell and stay on the lookout for all the updates coming for the giveaway. You guys already know I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace, guys.